Welcome to Atomy. You deserve to feel good about yourself and about life. Well-being is a way of daily life, which is why Atomy products are of the highest quality and best value. Made with love. Packaged with the environment in mind. Help the communities that use them. Used by tens of millions of customers worldwide. Because they discovered Atomy's secret. Founded in Korea in 2009, Atomy is now established in many countries across 4 continents. And in 2021, Atomy is coming to the UK. Absolute quality, absolute price. Atomy you can trust.